Chris did this in the Pontiac SUV.
I know.
Without
scared.
And his is rear. Oh well, his is all-wheel drive. So I do take that back. He did have four-wheel drive.
I have four-wheel drive.
Yeah. So that was the worst. That was the worst one.
Nuh-uh, the worst one's this one.
No, that was the worst one.
Nuh-uh.
That was the worst.
Nuh-uh.
Guys, welcome back to another video. We're gonna hit the creek again. It is super nice outside. Dylan's taking the Dakota off-roading today, so we'll probably get some B-roll. Oh, hit the camera on the side of the thing. So we'll probably get some extra juicy B-roll today of that. So talk to you guys later when I get down to the creek. So we are back at the creek. We're not doing another bridge video yet. We have to.
Oh, we should take that bridge that's there.
Yeah,
Forgot to do that yesterday.
we have to comprehend what we're gonna do and how we're gonna get to that island. But we found out last video that you guys saw that there were people trying to get to that island, and it looks like they kind of successfully did because the signs completely moved. So that's kind of sad. So we might have to find another island that's a little bit more remote.
No, it's
Or-
war.
It's war.
We go to war.
We kill them. We just hang
The
them. We
native
hang them. We
people.
hang them on the island so that it leaves them more.
Yeah, put their head on spikes.
So yeah, so we're gonna get to fishing. I'm gonna make this quick intro, and yeah, see you on the water. Oh my God, that's a big bass. Big bass, boys. Oh, or not big, but it's decent. Dude, instantly I could tell it was hit, dude. Instantly. Hold that real quick. All right, boys. About the size we caught last video, about 1.5 pounds. It's not huge. I thought it was a lot bigger, you know. But I'm also like up pretty far. Let me see if I can get down here. I just slip and fall and eat ass. Woo! All right, buddy. Going with the release. You go. Oh shit, that's slippery. Fuck that. I was gonna say, dude, it's actually not a bad fishing spot. That's a good sign, dude.
Look, the otter.
No way.
I swear on my fucking life, dude. Look.
Oh, it's an otter, boys.
I swear on my fucking life, dude. It just went in that hole.
What hole?
Dude, I thought I was tripping the fuck out. I saw something digging all these bubbles over there, and then it's the fucking otter, dude. What the fuck?
I hope I got that on video. I thought it was a big catfish.
Dude, I know. I thought it was a huge ass fish. I thought I was tripping the fuck out. I was like, what the fuck am I looking at? That's a big ass otter, dude.
You didn't believe me, they're otters.
That's fucking crazy.
All right, guys, so we probably have an hour or two left of daylight to fish. But he's tied on a drop. I've tied him on a drop shot. We're gonna try that. I have the TRD on, and that worked with one fish. So yeah, we're gonna switch spots, and we're gonna try just to walk farther down that way because we went far down that way. But today we're gonna go to the right instead of the left. Hopefully we see another otter. That was pretty cool. But see the next spot. Am I kicking that?
Dude, if I see the fucking otter come out, I'm gonna freak out. This is tricky as fuck.
Dude, I can just imagine you going, what is that? No, not right there. What the f?
That's what you get.
Dude, it's literally right there on top of the bark. Oh, it came off. Thank you.
That was like a perfect sound.
No.
That'll break.
It's gonna whip down, dude.
Oh, what the fuck?
What the fuck?
Dude, it hit me in the head. Dude, it hit me right in the fucking head. Oh my god.
Did it hurt?
No, it just bounced off my head. Dude, it was like...
Dude, Chris did that and hit him right in the dick.
It was hard though. It felt like someone... Dude, it felt like this.
No, dude. Fuck. Makes it okay.
Ow. There's so much shit.
Leaves of 3, let them be. Oh fuck. Leaves of 4, play with me some more. Oh! This dude just came out of nowhere and clompered this, boys. All right, boys, nice little small, healthy guy. This is probably about the size of my bass in my tank right now. Let him go. Pure ecstatic on that fish's face. Had no fucking clue. I have a Spartan kick of steel. I just kicked this tree over into the water. I went, boom! Oh, that's a lot sturdier. That knocked me right back in my tracks. Yep, she ain't going nowhere, but that. Alright guys, so this is going to be the end of the video. We caught about 2 fish today, or we did catch 2 fish today. And yeah, it's getting dark. I got red lobster waiting home. So, you know, that fishing had to pause for a second because tomorrow's going to be nicer anyway. And we might go to the ponds or just fish the creek. I don't know what we're going to do yet. But we still have to get back. The sun's looking beautiful, as always, at the creek. So we're going to take this old Dodge, send it through some mud, go get some red lobster. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. And see you next video.